Hello students, today we are going to start class 4 subject computer chapter 5 logo, commands and procedures. Logo is a simple perfect computer language used for drawing shapes and calculating arithmetic operations. Turtle in the icon used as pen in logo. How is starting? Start all program, Microsoft Windows logo and your MS-DOO logo screen will appear in your screen. Now you can see the menu bar, title bar, main or graphic screen, turtle, scroll bar, commander window, control buttons, okay, and it's your input box. Now recap on elementary logo commands. Here they are all the commands, expanded form and their action. FD, it's a command and the expanded form of FD is forward and action is move the turtle forward by specified numbers of steps drawing a line. BK, backward, moves the turtle backward by specified numbers of steps drawing a line. RT is right, turn the turtle head to its right. LT, left, turn the turtle head into it to its left. CS, clear skin, by, home, ST, hide, show, ST, show, PU, pen up, PD, pen down, okay, and there is actions and you have to read it at your home. More commands in logo. First is set pen size, set PC, PR. First, set pen size is this command define the size of the pen and the format is set pen size is and where and represents numbers. You can see the set pen size menu using pen normal and set pen size commands. Set PC, set pen color, and the full form is set pen color. This command helps to change the color of the pen. The format is set PC RGB, where RGB represents red, green, blue, the primary color. The color code range from 0 to 255. Now PR, print. The print command is used to display number, letter, word, sentences in the commander window. Printing number. The format to print one number is PR and where n indicates a number. The format to print set of number is PR, set of numbers. Now printing numbers you can see over here. Now printing a letter, word, sentence. The format the print letter is PR, any letter. The double quotes should only be open and not closed. The format to print a word is PR, any word. The double quote should only be open and not closed in the case 2. The format to print a sentence is PR, any sentence. The command uses square bracket to display the sentence. Now the calculation in logo. With logo we can also perform simple arithmetic and logical operations. The print command can be used to perform arithmetic and logical operations. Basic rules to be followed. All the arithmetic operators should take 2 inputs. Print command should have a space to type the number with request operators. Arithmetic operations can also be performed with FD, BK, LT and RT commands. Now arithmetic operation using print command. The basic arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. first is addition. The sum command or plus operator is used to perform perform addition in Logo. First, when we use sum command, we need to give a space after the command. For more than two numbers, we have to AND the sum commands with the values with brackets. Now turn the page. Now subtraction. The differences commands or minus operator is used to perform subtraction in Logo. When we use difference commands, we need to give a space after the command. Now multiplication. The product command or the multiplication operator is used to perform multiplication. And the division and remainder command. The quotient command or divide operator is used to perform division, and division operator always gives the quotient, and the remainder commands give the remainder obtained after division. Now procedures in Logo. The procedure is single statement that executes many instructions to complete specific tasks. First, rules for naming procedures. Name the procedure must always start with a letter and then be followed by number and symbols. No blank space and arithmetic operators are allowed in a procedure's name. Logo commands cannot have procedure's name. Parts of procedure. The procedure has three parts: writing, saving and loading a procedure. Writing a procedure is click input box, type 2 followed by the procedure name, example 2 rectangle. Press enter key. The to mode input box appears. Type the commands and press enter key. Type and at the end of the procedure. Now saving procedure. Remember, the procedure are volatile in nature. When we exit from Logo, all procedure will be deleted. Hence, we need to save the procedure. The steps to save the procedure are: click file menu, select save as dialog box appear, choose the right path and type the procedure name. Click save button. Now loading procedure. Type load procedure name in the input box or click file load and select the file from the stored directory and click open button. Then procedure gets loaded. Repeat command. The repeat command is used to avoid typing repetition of commands, and it allows the set of instructions to run rapidly. The format is repeat number command, where number indicates the sides of shapes. Example: repeat 4, FD 100, RT is 90. FD means forward and RT is right. Filling color in shapes. Logo allow the color to fill in the shapes and pictures. The turtle should be placed inside the shapes to fill the color. Call the square procedure that is save. Type square and press enter key. Click set option for the menu and select float color option. Choose any color from the dialog box and click OK button of the square in the input box and press enter key. Type the command below to bring the turtle inside the square and fill the color. Okay, now come to the exercise. Fill in the blanks. First, the format to print one number is PRN. Second, all the arithmetic operator should take dash input. 2. The procedures are volatile in nature and the spelling VOLATILE. Logo allow fill color in the dash and the dash. Shapes and the pictures. Now the magic column. Now the magic following, and just look the answers and do it. Turn your page. Now the true false. Now first, logo cannot perform any calculation. False. To multiply two numbers we have to use product command. True. Sorry, the first one is the false and the second one is the true. It is not possible to find the sum of more than 3 number in logo. False. We use a mark when we type just one number. Use printing command. True. Now choose the correct option. The command we use to add number is sum. The command we use to divide number is quotient. Which of the following are possible to do in a logo? Both A and B. Now the question answers. What is the setpc command do? It's on page number 41. Here the answer. The setpc command helps to change the color of the pen. Question number 2. How can we print letter, word, sentence in logo is on page number 42. Here. From to printing letter and word in the sentence till the sentence is of the answer number 2. Now the third one, list the basic rule to perform calculation in logo is on page number 43. Here is the answer from here to commands. It's of answer number 3rd. Now the question number 4. What is the significance of reminder command is on page number 45. Here is the answer. The reminder commands give the reminder obtained after revision. Now the last one. What is the use of repeat command is on page number 49. Here the answer. The repeat command is used to avoid typing repetition commands, and it's allowed the set of instructions to run rapidly. Okay, so today we have completed chapter 5 of class 4th, and you have to do this question answers in your copy. The question number B, do in copy. Thank you.